Okay, so we've done the basic outline. On the show page, these are the bits, these are LeaderBits. Yeah, they're LeaderBits.
Yeah.
Here we'll have the video, then we'll have the text version of it, of a menu on the left-hand side for now. And we'll have Reflect DB. This is where you add your reflections based on what you learn. So you watch a leader bit, and it has a lesson, right? A leader lesson, and then you go out throughout the next couple days. You have awareness of the lesson. Every lesson will be different. So some lessons will be about having awareness of a specific topic, like the one that we were working on this morning was the MVP mindset in relation to anything you do, not just developing a technology, developing any system of any sort for yourself, whether it's a routine or something for your team that they'll do, how we consistently stack complexity and then turn that into something that's complicated, then we have to reduce down and refine it and make it something simple. So that would be the one example of a leader bit. And so here would be an index of all the leader bits. You'd be able to filter by the ones that you've completed or you've mastered, or the ones that are in progress. So you see the list of them, you click into the list, you end up on the show page, and you can watch LeaderBit, see the homework, or you can read it. And then down here you got Reflect DB, because a diary would be lame or a journal sounds not something like I want to write into, but Reflect DB sounds very cool. I can add an entry in there, right? And so you can add your entries as you go throughout your week and have experience with this leader bit. And then over here you'll have your a menu item specifically dedicated to your Reflect DB. And you can see all your reflections that you've entered. Obviously you got pagination, and then you'll see your momentum by the week, how many you're completing per week. So as a CTO or the team leader, if you deploy this to your team, what you can do is you can go in there and see who's learning what and the experience that they're gaining from what they're learning and what they're trying. It also has the benefit of the fact that they're performing these genuine leadership skills and they're deploying them within your organization in order to gain experience, which improves the whole culture of your team. So that's real exciting. You can see who's learning what and how involved they are in it. And that pretty much sums it up. This is the most basic, this is the least detailed drawing wireframe stuff that I ever did, because I'm taking all the advice that we've talked about on the show with all the greats, the great CTOs, and we're living it out on camera right here on YouTube, the entire step from getting the idea, coming up with the domain, getting the graphic done on 99 Designs really cost effectively, installing the Rails application, getting distracted in the previous video, the explanation of our wireframes and why we're doing what we're doing, and the idea is to identify and grow and develop leaders inside your organization. So that's it, LeaderBits.io.